Hey everyone, today I'll compare Hostinger, Horizons, FlutterFlow, and Adalo. Hostinger, Horizons, FlutterFlow, and Adalo are all no-code or low-code platforms that help you build apps without writing full code. But they work differently and are made for different types of users. Let's start with Hostinger Horizons. It's a new platform launched by Hostinger in 2025. What makes it different, it is focused on AI. You don't need to drag and drop elements manually. Instead, you just type or speak what kind of app you want. The AI understands your idea and builds the first version for you. If you want a blog app, a booking system, or a shopping chart, just say it. Horizons will generate the layout, design, and features instantly. This makes it very easy to use, especially for beginners. If you have no idea how to build an app, Horizons is a friendly starting point. It supports more than 80 languages, so people around the world could use it. You also don't need to worry about publishing the app. Hostinger lets you launch it in just one click. That includes hosting, domain, and other setup. Now let's talk about FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow is a low-code platform based on Google's Flutter framework. It lets you design beautiful mobile apps using a drag-and-drop system. It's more technical than Hostinger Horizons, but still much easier than coding from scratch. FlutterFlow gives you more control over layout and animations. It also allows exporting real Flutter code. That means developers can take what you built and customize it further. FlutterFlow is better suited for developers or advanced users. It's great for teams who want a mix of visual building and custom coding. You can also connect APIs, use Firebase, and set up logic flows for your app. This makes it ideal for more complex apps. But it has a steeper learning curve. If you're just starting, it may feel overwhelming at first. Adalo is a no-code tool, but it's easier to use than FlutterFlow. You get a visual builder where you drag elements like buttons, text, and images into a screen. Adalo is good for making simple mobile apps like task managers, note apps, or even small marketplaces. You don't need to write code and you can preview your app on your phone instantly. It also supports databases and logic. You can build interactive features. Adalo is a good choice for creators who want more freedom than Horizons but don't want the technical complexity of FlutterFlow. It supports publishing to the App Store and Google Play, which make it useful for launch real app. To sum it up, Hostinger Horizon is best if you want to build something fast and simple using AI. It's good for landing pages, small tools, or early versions of an app. Adalo is a middle option that gives you more manual control while still being beginner friendly. FlutterFlow is best if you or your team have technical knowledge and want a more powerful, scalable solution. The right choice depends on what kind of app you want to build, how much control you need, and how technical you are. If you want AI to do most of the work for you, go with Horizons. If you want a balance of ease and features, Adalo is a solid pick. If you want a full design power and don't mind a learning curve, FlutterFlow is the way to go. Thanks for watching, hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.